short, tractor trailer ready, train of thought. Combines roaring, engines run, it's a race against the setting sun. Heat of day, crops so dry, moisture low, scrape the sky. Optimal conditions, we fight for gain. Harvest must beat the looming rain. Harvest hustle, don't slow down, gather fast through the town before the storm clouds gather round in the fields where dreams are found. Rows of rows, we cut them clean, sunlight's fading, losing sheen. Load the trailer packed so tight underneath the dying light. Engines hum and hearts they race in this timeless sacred space. Each golden grain a story old, in our hands their worth is told. Sweat and toil, the hearts fight through the day into the night. Every year a precious prize, battle on beneath the skies. This hustle, don't slow down, gather fast through the town before the storm clouds gather round in the fields where dreams are found. Harvest hustle, don't slow down, gather fast through the town before the storm clouds gather round in the fields where dreams are found. Whoa, the dreams are found. In the rain, rows of rows, we cut them clean, sunlight's fading, losing sheen. Load the trailer packed so tight underneath the dying light. Heat of day, crops so dry, moisture low, we scrape the sky. Optimal conditions, we fight for gain. Harvest must beat the looming rain. Harvest hustle, don't slow down, gather fast through the town